101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Wednesday on at 7 p.m. Of course, I'm Radias Disaril, of course, with you guys at smart listeners and viewers at home with Smart FM. Yeah, Smart Up Your Life, English discussion, English communities, and yeah. I'm not alone here in English communities. We have a views friend from the views community in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite them, our guest, to introduce themselves one by one. Okay, let's go. Let's start to introduce themselves one by one. Please take this. Please take this. Come on. come on. Take. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you guys?
Fine.
Please use this.
Fine.
Okay,
Very
come on.
Good.
Okay. How are you?
I'm very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. Pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So well. Yeah. Giving applause first for us. Yes, as I mentioned, I would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one to smart listeners at home. Okay, I start from you in the corner, the most beautiful here. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English communities? And what about the agenda or the schedule, please? Please.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Hello guys, I am Shiva Sakin Herman.
Hi.
Just go with Shiva. And
Uh-huh.
I'm here as a representative from MATA. So
Mhm.
basically MATA stands for Matcha English Talk Assembly.
Uh-huh.
And in MATA, there is a various agenda,
Mhm.
and one of my favorite is the debate section because you can learn how to be brave to raise up your voice and make an argument about the topic. And it's held every week on Saturday.
Mhm.
And if you're already interested to visit us, you can visit our Instagram account. It's called Matcha Community.
Oh, I like your accent. Okay,
you.
welcome, Siva. Okay, next. Do you get the point right?
Yeah.
Okay, 60 seconds for you. Kidding.
okay.
Come on, go ahead.
Okay, hello smart listeners. My name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian. I'm representative from BPEC.
Yeah, what is BPC?
Yeah, BPEC stand for Benteng Panua English Club.
Mm-hmm.
You can join every Sunday morning
Mm-hmm.
at 10 a.m. until 2 a.m.
And what is the Instagram of BPC? May you
BPEC
please mention?
Makassar.
BPC Makassar, and you
Yes.
can ask anything. Do not hesitate to ask. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Welcome to
Okay,
Smart
thank
FM.
you.
Next.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Muhammad Nuralias, but my family address me as Juan.
Juan.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm from Meta. I'm a participant of
You're
the
participant.
community, but
Okay.
it's already mentioned about her,
Mhm.
explained about her. Jadi,
Mhm.
so
Oh,
maybe
thank
let's
you.
go.
Welcome in our second home. Next.
Okay, my name is Andi Syarudin,
Mhm.
but people sometimes call me Syair, Andi, or Rudi.
Okay. Welcome
Welcome.
in our
And
second home.
yes, and I'm from BES, UKM BES.
Mhm. What
Best.
is stand for best?
Yes,
There is a stand for abbreviation.
is organization. It BES is Broad Angle Society.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But actually, I'm ex-president of UKM BES 2023, 2024. But I'm still here in the representative UKM BES.
it's okay. You are the big family of English
Yeah.
communities. Come on.
Yeah. And for agenda BES, actually I don't know for now because I'm not president again.
Mhm.
But
You
agenda,
make previews. You make
yeah, I am
talking about-
okay.
Mhm.
Preview agenda UKM BES is the learning about speech, debate,
Mhm.
and we are go to tour tour to Panti, sharing session with the
Like
chair.
Orpenge?
Yes,
Like Orpenge or Penage?
yes, like a Spanish. We are learning to about English in the chair,
Okay.
and then that's it. And then again we are make the event and the spending night with the
Collaboration
the
with
collaboration.
others,
And
study
that's
group, English
Max,
communities.
Quenza and Gisi. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you follow more information.
The social media or
Yeah.
Instagram.
Just follow Instagram Ukembes.
Please follow.
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Okay, next.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Andi Fitra Insan. You can
Mhm.
call me Fitra. I am the former paper editor of MEX. It stands for Al-Markas for Hoodie and Lightning Studies.
Mhm.
We are based in Masjid Al-Markas in Makassar, and then the meeting is held on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday every week. So we have 3 meetings every week.
Mhm.
It's usually topic based, so there are several topics that we may discuss
Mhm.
every meeting. Yes.
Okay,
And
so
you can find more about Mex on Mex Almarcas _ in Instagram.
how do we call you? Your nickname Fitra?
Fitra,
Fitra
yes.
only.
Yes.
Okay, Fitra. Okay, guys, did you aware our clothes are match each other, and there is the gradation. Green and maroon, pink, a peach. See. Okay, give a good applause for us. Okay, as I promised just now that we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, and our topic for this evening is out of the box. Giving applause for us. Yeah, smart listeners and viewers at home, when we translate to bahasa, out of the box means that di luar kotak. It's unusually things. Yes, this is a relate with someone about how we thinking, how we produce the idea, the expression, the concept, but it's unusually idea. I mean, like we have a strong signature, we have a characteristic uniqueness about how we create idea, expression, and etc. Are you ready, guys?
Ready?
Okay, come on, use this. Use this. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, I start from Siva. Jangan panggil aku anak kecil, Paman.
That's a cartoon.
That's a very iconic,
Yeah.
Okay, my question is, did you ever found a similar topic about our topic for this evening? And how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Well, of course, I always, for your information, I always play this. I mean, think out of the box.
Uh-huh.
So basically, out of the box, it doesn't mean grab something from the box.
Yeah,
No, it
yeah. I agree.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but out of the box is an idiom
Mhm.
to think differently, unusual, or
Mhm.
maybe we can say make a new perspective from
Yeah.
the other.
Did you ever found this topic in an outside?
Of course,
Uh-huh.
because I am a researcher, so we have to
Ah.
think out of the box to make a new innovation, right?
Mm.
So that's why I am very interested.
You are very enthusiastic to discuss
yeah, I'm
this,
very
right?
into this topic for today.
Okay, keep your statement for the next. Okay, I start from you. Move to
Okay,
you.
yes.
Fitra, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Out of the box.
Yes. When I hear about out of the box, the first thing that I think about is the box.
Yeah.
How do
Boxes,
we
yeah?
define the
Uh-huh.
boxes? I
Uh-huh.
mean, for example, when you fill out a form, there are boxes in there that you can check, and then and maybe you will see that none of those things that apply to you. So you write. So for example, you find yourself finding that there is written others, so
Mhm.
you choose others as options, and then you fill out what you want to categorize yourself as. And then basically when I hear about outside of the box, I always connect it with thinking, like how do we think differently, how do we invent new things. How do we challenge ourselves creatively and to make something new, make something fresh. I guess that's what I can say
Did
about.
you ever heard this topic in English communities before?
Not the exact topic, I guess, as long as I've attending English
Mm.
meeting.
Oh no, no. This is
Mm,
the first time in your life to discuss this in English communities.
I don't think I
Uh-huh.
can remember the exact
Mhm,
topics
mhm.
of each English meeting that I have attend.
But you are very enthusiastic to discuss this topic, right?
Yes.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, thank you. Next, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
I think the first thing about
You're thinking about about the
uh,
boxes,
topic, I think is the like you are thinking creatively. I think creatively,
Right.
and you're thinking about you different or other people.
Mhm.
So just like you are different about the people, you thinking you're not same that other
Mhm,
people.
mhm.
So just I think this like that.
Have you
Yeah.
ever found this topic to discuss in another English community in outside?
I know in this the
Never.
first. Yeah.
This is the first.
Yes, this is the first.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So this, you are very enthusiastic, right,
Yes, I better
to discuss this.
discuss
Okay,
this,
thank
yeah.
you, Juan. San Juan Marino, like like city in outside in a broad country, right? Juan. Okay. How do you think about our topic this evening?
This topic is very interesting for me. I'm
Mm.
interested because I never find this topic before.
Ah,
I
okay.
actually we must think out of the box when we face several new problems that we never
Mhm.
got
Mhm.
earlier. But
So
for
this
me,
topic is very
mm,
genuine, right?
yes.
Yeah.
But this topic, I never talking about that. But we must doing that for our daily activity when we
Yeah.
face that.
Yeah.
So this make me very interested right now.
Mhm. Can't wait to discuss this. Okay, next. Yeah,
Okay.
your perspective, please.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm interested to this topic because yeah, when I heard that topic out of the box, I just remember one of the stand-up comedian.
Yeah, yeah. Who?
Namely Indra Primawan.
Okay.
Yeah, they're he thinking out of the box
Mhm.
because they he like uh his jokes is out of the box is uh we 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 think first then we laugh.
We think first.
Yeah, then we
Then
laugh.
we laugh. Have you ever found this topic in BPEC itself?
As far as I attend the meeting, never, I guess.
Never. So this
Yes.
is a very genuine topic, right?
Yes.
Ooh, okay, giving applause
Yeah.
for us in our English communities because this is very genuine and this is first time. Yeah, we will discuss about this. Okay, thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
I move to the next question. Yeah, we're talking about thinking out of the box, berpikir di luar kotak is unusually. This is a very how to create something unique, something strong signature, and of course we have a like differentiate with another people's, right, because we are out of the box. Right? Okay, how do you get, or what is the tips to create out of the box thinking? I start from, yeah, in your version, how we create out of the box thinking.
Okay. The first thing that I think about how do we start thinking outside the box,
Mhm.
I think is the first thing we have to understand the box itself. We understand the
To
general
package the product. Okay, no, kidding.
the general the general knowledge in whatever field that we are going to apply it to.
Mm.
Like for example, you are a researcher
Yeah.
and you are researching about languages or
Mhm.
physics. Like you have to understand the basic principles of that the field that you want to research about.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
the first thing is to understand the box, and then you think what you can do to improve. What you can do is different. What you can do
Mhm.
that could result in different situation and or maybe different kind of results like that. So uh, basically is to understand the general concept and then find your way how to improve them. That's what I can say.
So, if you want to create out of the box, we have to start from the general to specific things, right?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, what about you, Siva? In your version, how you create something about out of the box?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So basically, well, I'm a researcher. So to make a new innovation, I have to learn about the topic, like what
Fitra?
Fitra said before. We have to learn about the general things and just the specific one. And read the journal or book, and after that, the important part is 5W tambah 1H. You have to think about that.
That's the pull the forms, yeah?
Yeah. You have to think why is it happen and how to decrease, increase, or how to say menghilangkan eliminate this case by your ways. I mean, like when you
but you have to face the trial and error first, right?
Yeah, of
before you're thinking
course.
about out of the box, right?
Yes, you have to make sure that your innovation is really has more beneficial than the others. That's it, I think.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Brian? In your version, your style, how can you create out of the box thinking?
Okay. As I know, out of the box is we have to think differently than the other one. If for example, if they talking about the general thing, you have to think about the specific one. If they, I think
Actually, if you're talking about out of the box, not only about the plan, but how can we execute, right?
Yes.
Execute, and how can we make the result? How we put the totally different, not different, but totally different uniqueness from another people. For example, when you want to wearing your clothes, you have to be totally different.
Totally different.
For example, some people like bright colors. Some people like a bourgeois. Some people like a rich. Some people like a very simplicity. You have to like unique, something like that. And of course, about the idea you your idea. For example, for example, like me, I put this topic. It's totally different out of the box because our topic create from me. It's totally different with the another topic in and outside. There is no someone who put the same topic. So we are like a pioneer. We are like a trendsetter.
Yeah.
But if you are to be like follower, you are not out of the box. So out of the box is very genuine, something like that, right?
Something
Okay,
unique.
thank you, Brian. Okay,
Thank you.
next, Juan, in your version, your style, your character, how can you create out of the box?
As we know that there are several type of people in this world, and we have another perceptions and methods how to solve the problem, how to think out of the box. And I think the first thing that appear on my mind when you asking about the tips, maybe about just keep exercising.
Keep
That
exercising.
When
and-
you keep exercising how to solve several problems, that means that you could be adapting how to solve the problems, how to make a new decision, how to decide things fastly. So that's all. Maybe just about keep
Do you
exercising.
have any addition?
Nothing.
You keep it. Okay, next. What about you? Your version about how to create out of the box.
How to take apa to
To create
to
out
create
of the box
out of the box
things.
my tips, my tips.
Mhm.
I think you must improve yourself.
Mhm.
First, you improve yourself to thinking critically.
Mhm.
Okay, and yeah, and then yeah. Also, you must learning about situation,
Mhm.
and then reading a book. I
Mhm.
mean, reading a book, thinking critically,
Mhm.
and then thinking critically.
Mhm.
So yeah, my tips to thinking about out of the box, you have to learning, and then you improve yourself.
Mhm. But I think it's not enough if we keep exercise, learning, improve, because everyone do that. So
Yeah.
what? So what the specific things that you can show that this is the way to create out of the box things?
Uh, yeah, that's why I said that the thinking about
Mhm.
out the box, you have to improve yourself,
Uh-huh.
and then you research about yourself.
Yourself,
Yeah.
not only research
Yeah, not
the people, but
not
ourselves also.
Yeah, the first you
Uh-huh.
you search about yourself. How can I thinking about critically?
Right?
That's why.
Okay, so we have to create intrapersonal
Yes.
ability. Intrapersonal means that how we understand ourselves.
Yes.
That is intrapersonal. But if we want to understand the peoples, it means that we have to create interpersonal question. Ya, kecerdasan interpersonal, kecerdasan memahami orang lain dan kecerdasan memahami diri sendiri. That's the point, actually, one of the key to make out of the box thing. For example, I give you one simple things. I say in bahasa, Wakil Menteri Riset. I forget the name. She is a very genuine. She wearing the unique glass. Right? You remember, right? Yeah, she is a professor, she is a researcher, but totally different perspective, different look. She put, but you know that she is a translator, so everyone buy that the glasses. Oh my god! Yeah, so the translator is out of the box, but the follower is not, totally not. That's the key, actually. Okay, let's we move to the next question. That is the extra information. Okay, my next question. How do you think, guys? This is this is about opposite. How do you think about the common people? The common people who is not out of the box. How do you think about the common people? Okay, I start from you. It means that the common people is in the box, right? You get the point. How do you think about these peoples?
As I mentioned before, there are several type of people in this world. So,
Mhm. Who are they? Come on.
Maybe I am one of them that cannot make the.
Oh, come on.
Yes,
Don't
because
say like
sometimes
that.
I need to following the other people decision because, yeah, it's quite hard to make a new things when we never doing that before. And,
Okay. You means that you still looking find the form, pola,
the pattern,
the patterns to be out of the box man.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So you say you are one of them.
Yeah,
How
one
about
of
the
them.
others people? How do you think about them?
I actually don't understand about that
Uh-huh.
because
They have suggestion for them?
when you don't have any out of the box mindset, I think just following what other people tell you.
Okay, cari aman dulu.
So, cari aman.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Syair? How do you think
Common
about the people in the box?
The box. Yeah, I think I'm sorry before I say. I think the common of the people is I think my opinion is not stuck in the zona nyaman.
Are you still in the box or You are looking fine to how to create out of the box.
Sometimes I'm the common the people, and sometimes I'm the people out of the box. When example like we are this situation, people my friend example like my friend is the plan is very monotone.
Okay,
So I
okay.
don't. So yes, it's monotone though. So I plan I give the plan my plan. So why? So example like why you don't have use this? Blah 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 blah. And
okay,
he say
okay.
it's not relevant. No, it's not good. And I say it's okay. It's okay. We have to try. And they say that it's like that. So yeah, there's like example like the common people, my opinion is not creative people. It is stuck. I'm sorry, it's stuck
Listen.
it's stuck in the zona nyaman.
Okay.
It like
Okay.
the comfort zone.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What about you, Brian? How do you think about the common people? I mean, like
Okay.
in the box thinking.
In my opinion, the
Mm.
common people is they just want to just like that.
Are you still in the box also? Or you
in the
are
box?
in the box still?
Still.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So do you have a effort to be out of the box, man? You try.
Maybe. Interest. I
Don't say
interest.
maybe. Say I try.
I interest to do that.
Okay. Thank you,
yeah,
Brian.
thank
Do you
you.
still buy the edition? Maybe no.
No.
Okay. Siva, how do you think about the people who in the box are the common peoples?
Well, I guess the people who are in the box
Mhm.
afraid to people that will judge them if they think
Uh-huh.
out of the box.
Uh-huh.
Like just be in your comfort zone, because
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you go out of sight, they
Uh-huh.
will judge you. Like what I experienced before when I was in junior high school.
Junior high school.
I've ever told to my friends that I want to make a toilet, but on the tree.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
On the tree?
Yeah, on
Oh,
the tree,
come on.
because I've ever read the researchers that our faces can be a compass for a tree. So
Oh my god.
yeah, so that's why
Uh-huh.
people then my friends say that you're crazy.
So in
Don't
other
do
words,
that.
so in other words, frequently or oftenly, the out of the box peoples we call weird.
Yeah,
Totally weird, right?
weirdo.
But positive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That's
That's
it.
funny insight. Okay, what about you, Fitra?
Okay.
Do you get the point, right?
Yes, I get
Yes. Come
Well,
on.
you said that the people who think outside of the box are pioneers.
Yeah.
Yes, they are
Mhm.
pioneers. But if we think about the
In the box.
comparison between the numbers of people who are pioneers and those who follow, I think the number of people who follow the pioneer are more than the pioneer itself. Like
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
there
right.
are 90% of the population or 70%. So I think that there are two types of people.
Mhm.
The first one is the thinker,
Mhm.
and the second one is the doers. And
Ah.
then these types of people who doesn't think outside the box, they are
Mhm.
the doers.
Mm.
And I think I respect them for that, because they
Mhm.
take a proven principles and then they applied it to their lives. For example, if you want to earn for your living, you have to work. And then if you want to get
Hard work. Hard, very
work,
hard,
yes. And if you want to stay healthy, maybe you get to exercise and eating healthy foods. Like they took these principles and then they apply it to their life because they know it works and it stands the trial of time. So I think many people are they think that they are in the safe zone if they do things that are commonly done by other people. But I think it's okay, because like
This is
not-
about choice.
yes,
Yes.
not everyone are are destined to be pioneers. Like not everyone is an inventor, but everyone can be the ones who apply those what has been invented, and then they apply it to their life.
But
Because-
you are in the box or out of the box, you can be happy, right?
Yes.
So this is about choice, right?
Yes.
Okay. My next question: what is the advantage? I mean, like benefit when we are out of the box people. I start from you, Brian. What is the benefit if we are out of the box people?
Yeah, the benefit is the positive, yeah.
Yes.
The positive.
Absolutely positive
Yeah.
is benefit. Okay.
The positive. If we found someone out of the box, yeah, we just think that I want to be like you.
Ah, like
Jealous.
idol,
Yeah.
like idol,
Inspiration.
inspiration. Okay, like idol,
is-
inspiration, and
yeah.
what else? What else?
I just want to be out of the box like
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
I just want to learn how to
Hold on, I want to see myself. Come on,
yeah how
continue.
to how to be out of the box. And then yeah, I will practice it to myself.
Mhm.
Like I want to out of the box. In next time I want to be out of the box like you.
Okay, thank you, Brian. I
Thank
move
you.
to Juan. Yeah, you get a point, right? The benefit, the advantage to be out of the box people. Come on.
When we have out of the box, I think it could help us to solve the problem when we
Mhm.
face a
For
problems.
example, solve the problem. For example.
When we want to do the event
Mhm.
that many people that's already happened before, we could do new things that could take the other people interest. Maybe we could do several new things.
Like like a problem solver,
Yes.
because out of the box people of course can
Mm.
produce problem solving.
Yes.
So automatically he or she or they to be like problem solver, and that is one of skill, soft skill, right? Yeah,
Yes.
that is a and very very it's benefit
Yes.
to their self. Any addition or
And maybe the other benefits that people always looking for us when we want to do something new. That, as you mentioned before, that the doer is more than the thinker. So
Okay.
when we don't have the thinker at all, people trying to looking for
So
us.
in bahasa orang selalu nyari-nyari kita, guys, ya. Kalau kita bisa berpikir out of the box, ya, asik. Okay, thank you, Juan. Okay, I move to you, Syair. You are lyric or
No,
syair?
I'm not lyric. Syair.
Okay.
You are out of the box.
Me? Oh, thank you, Brian. Thank you. I will give you money after. Okay.
Yeah, I think benefit when people thinking about out of the box is like you give the new strategy and new plan. Example like the same Kak Juan say, like we are Kak Juan.
Are you sure?
Uh,
No.
Oh.
After this, you
Oh,
confirm. Continue.
Yeah,
Skip.
Okay. Like Kak Juan say
Yes.
before, example like you make the event and you stuck your plan, your strategy is not relevant, and you give the your strategy and you plan, and people like, wow, it's a very good plan. I think like it's like idol, it's like people is like interested with us.
You know, we have an example right now, and this is very viral. Apate.
Oh yeah.
That
But
is a
it's-
very out of the box.
Yes.
You know? In every country, is the highest position on trending in all of the world. That is very out of the box.
betul.
Drum game.
Oh yeah. Okay, continue.
Yeah, that's.
You keep.
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Thank you.
Fit try.
When I hear you say benefits, the first thing that comes to my mind is financial benefits.
Money.
Yes.
Okay.
The thing that comes to my mind when you, for example, thinking outside the box, you invent something. Then, by your invention, you can have a patent. And by that patent, you can invent a product. And by products, and when you are selling it to the world, and then some other companies maybe do licensing from you, and then you will gain so many benefits.
Question: Are you financial planner?
No, no, no. I'm not a financial
It's
planner.
looking like. Okay.
So that's what I think about financial benefit. You have patent, like patent and copyright. Like you have it. It is like infinite money glitch
Okay.
because it will come maybe 70 years after you die. You will still get the benefits from
Yeah.
inventing something.
Your generation, right?
Yes.
Your generation, our generation. Okay, thank you. What about you, Siva?
Okay, I'm agree with Kak Fitra said before.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
He is Kak?
I don't know.
Okay, come on, continue.
It's about financial.
Uh-huh.
That when you think out of the box, you can make a new business.
Like if you are as out of the box, it means that we can create opportunity.
Yeah, and it's unique.
Unique.
How to say itu yang bisa menjadi nilai jualnya
Okay,
Anda.
selling point.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the other side, for the content creator,
Oh.
like they have to think about how to make a new content that of course seeking for viewers higher,
Like
a higher,
Vikinaki,
higher
right?
viewers, and you will get a high financial too.
I see. Okay, thank you. Okay, I move to the next question. Do you have a inspiration who are she or he as a out of the box man, and what is the reason? Do not copy my sample Figinaki. I say it right. Okay. Do you have another inspiration or feature sample about out of the box peoples who gonna want to be first? Okay, come on. Who and what is the reason?
Yeah, my inspiration to be out of the box is one of the stand-up comedian,
Who?
Indra Primawan.
Okay, why?
Yeah,
Why you
because-
choose him?
Because his jokes is different is different than the other stand-up comedian.
What the different? The question.
The difference is when he jokes,
Mm-hmm.
we have to think first, and
Okay.
then he makes a jokes.
Uh-huh.
He makes the answer. Then we laugh.
Okay, so we need a few seconds of
yeah.
thinking, and after that,
Yeah. For example, like this.
let's imagine.
uh, I remember his jokes like this. Kita ini adalah sorry.
Kita ini
No.
adalah- just say in
Mm.
bahasa.
Ya, kita ini
Come on.
adalah sekumpulan jambu. Kaum guava.
I see.
Yeah.
I got the point.
Yeah.
It means that there is ambiguous.
Yeah, ambiguous.
Ambiguous, right?
Yeah.
Is it ambiguous, right?
Yeah.
Ambiguous. There is, and after that, ambiguous
then-
is like a prank.
Yeah, then the viewers think, what is it?
He-
Kaum guava.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
yes.
He asked us, provocate to thinking.
Yeah.
Is it true or not? Is it what is this?
Yeah.
What is it?
Ah,
Right?
ah,
Like a
apa,
provocate.
Jambu.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Come on, say it.
Then he said, "Kaum guava." Then we laugh.
Okay, okay, I get the point. Okay, who? The second speaker wants to give a sample. Who? Okay, Fitra. Who and why?
Okay. The thing that I'm really interested in is the literature one, the side of literature, right?
Who?
Like her name is John Kathleen Rowling. She is known as J.K. Rowling, and she writes Harry Potter series.
Ah,
And then why
yeah.
I say that it is
The
outside
writer?
of, yes, the
Oh, yeah,
writer,
yeah.
the original writer of Harry Potter series.
The woman, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And why I say that, because at first, before the first book is published, she was rejected by 20 or more publishers. At first they rejected her, but then after one publisher chose to accept her
But
work.
she is not give up, right?
Yes. And now and Harry Potter becomes really popular children books. So by that we can see that she has an idea, and then she makes that idea into reality by writing her books, and then by the publication of that books, then we have movies, we have merchandise, and then it becomes a cultural phenomenon that affects many millennials or Gen Zs.
Yeah.
So like she created her own universe, like
Okay.
the her own universe, and then it becomes a trademark, and then
Okay.
it has copyright. So like
And create money. And
yeah,
be
it
rich,
is-
right?
it is a cultural phenomenon. Like
Ah.
sometimes when you see people like, what houses are you? Maybe they say they are Ravenclaw. Maybe not many
Ah.
many people know about it because it is a niche about Harry Potter, but it is a creation of her mind. And
Yeah,
she
makes
put
sense. She is very genuine. Yeah.
And then she becomes a billionaire.
Yeah.
Billion
Yeah, because
dollars.
Harry Potter, right? Because his how to say
She-
career, yeah.
Works.
Oh wow, yeah. I'm totally agree about that. Okay, next maybe you have a feature that out of works, and what is the reason?
I think in my mind, the first team name is Riders Marquez.
Riders.
MotoGP.
Why?
Because when in the Rocky in the MotoGP, in the next level in MotoGP, his riding style is different with other rider.
Ah, okay.
Is the riding style is
he
body
is
out.
a
His name
strong
is
sign, right?
Yeah.
Signature.
yeah. Is rider style name is the body out.
Body out.
Body out.
That is totally different with another competitor, right?
Yes, is difference.
Uh-uh.
With the Rossi, something
Yeah.
like Rossi, Lorenzo, Pedrosa is like riding style is the same.
Okay.
Balance. The name is balance. And the elbow down. But
Mhm.
Marquez, the out of box here is the riding style is different in the other rider. So I think it's a very wow. It's a very
Yeah.
I think wow. It's a very spectacular. I think.
Okay. Okay, I see. Okay.
Just like that.
I got the reason.
Yeah.
You, Juan, who is your
Mm.
sample on your mind and why?
She is a singer. Her name is Sia. And
Sia.
Yes. Yes. When you check my Instagram account,
Uh.
you could find a lot of video of her. Unstoppable Chandelier.
Okay.
Yes. I think
Saya
she,
tak tertahankan ya.
yes,
Okay.
unstoppable.
Hmm.
She is very unique. She
Mhm.
has an iconic looks because you know the wig is very unique. Her looks,
Yeah,
the
yeah, her
wigs,
looks,
and then
Is
May-
she mixed blood or a pure of Negroid or a blonde? Blonde, I mean like a
she is
Caucasoid race.
Australian.
Australian.
Yes.
Caucasoid, right?
Yes.
Okay.
She is very unique because she has that mind-blowing idea how to not only present your voice but
Okay.
also your looks, how to make a unique things that singer
physical
never done that
appearance,
before.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's maybe that's all for me.
Okay, Julian, thank you. What about Siva? Do you have a feature and why?
The first thing comes to my mind when I heard your question is my
Uh-huh.
lecturer.
Your lecturer.
Yeah.
Who is she?
She is a researcher too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Her name.
Should I say it or
Yes,
not?
it's okay. It's okay because this is a very positive things.
She is a real meal.
Okay.
Ke-
Sapa boleh? Okay. Why?
You know, since when I was a child, I want to be a researcher because I want to be berdampak untuk seseorang.
Okay.
And that's why
I
I
like when you say berdampak.
and that's why I joined my university right now, and
Okay.
I find this lecturer. She is a very, very stunning. You know,
Okay.
she always think out of the box. Everything like one of her research that I remember is make some innovation to decrease tuberculosis cases.
Tuberculosis.
Yeah.
TBC.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's why I want to be her because she is very stunning and she can find a unique way to solve a problem, especially in health ways.
Yeah, like positive impacts. Yeah, significant positive impact,
Yeah.
right? Especially in healthy, right? Yeah, tuberculosis. Oh my God, this is one of the Ghana's disease in the war. Yeah. Okay, give it applause, guys, for us. Yes. Before we are going to talking about conclusion, maybe you have unfamiliar words related with our topic, or maybe you have idioms. But before you answer that, I still have a question. In your around, do you have a real people who are they come from out of the box style? Do you have, and who? I start from you. Do you have in another around you, in your maybe your neighbor, your classmate, your family, your relative? Do you have something like that? Except you, because you are also. I think you are also out of the box people.
Well, of course, he's my dad.
Ah,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Do you have evidence?
When I was a child, I remember that he make a how to say alat, and it can cut grass easier than the other stuff.
Oh,
That's
really?
why I amaze I amaze him, and I want to be him
by
like him too.
by handmade.
Yeah, handmade. And how to say barang bekas?
Okay.
He always he always
Recycle.
do that.
Reuse.
He always do that.
Trip. Come on. Okay, continue.
Well, actually, he's an engineer, so that's why.
Okay. Who next? Do you have people around you, maybe your relative or family, your neighbor, your classmate, who are they come from out of the box style? Juan, do you have? Brian? Shair? Oh, it's expensive. Yeah, out of the box is very expensive and it's very hard, right, to find, right? Okay, I will move to the next question. Okay, conclusion. I start from you, Siva, again. Your conclusion.
So, guys, let's think out of the books, because we are, especially us as a college students, of course, we have to think out of the box to solve a problem. Okay, don't forget to think out of the box, because it can make you unique.
Do you have a wise word to smart listeners at home? Wise words?
No.
No. Okay. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening, Brian?
My conclusion for this topic, if you want to be out of the box, you have to think differently than anyone. If you have thing, if you are different thinker, the people will
Looking for you.
If you are out of the box, the people will
Looking for you,
right?
right?
Will follow you.
I will follow you.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a vocabularies relate our topic, or maybe you have a wise word or closing statement?
Oh no.
No, really?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Brian. Juan, what is your conclusion about our topic?
Mm, when let's be out of the box, but it's according to you. Just be on your own self, because as I mentioned before, there are several type of people. So you don't have to be the other person. You don't have to be the other people. Just believing on yourself. And if you want to be an out of the box person, just be it. But if you want to be the following person, just following that. That's
Oh,
all.
okay. Do you have idioms or vocabularies or
Just be yourself.
just yourself? Okay, thank you. Next, Syair.
Okay.
Your conclusion.
Okay, guys. If you want to like the out of the box people, you have to brave. Okay.
Be brave.
Yeah, be brave, because you don't. If you don't have be brave, you don't be brave. You can. You can thinking out of the box. Okay. It's like
Like
that.
Dennis Sumargo, brave as a
Yeah.
Bugis Makassar.
Yeah, Bugis Makassar. Yeah.
Sirena Pace.
Yes, in the future.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a
Idioms.
Idioms or-
Yeah, just one words,
okay.
guys.
One sentence or one words?
One words.
One words.
Confidence. You have confidence.
Okay, one sentence.
Yeah, one sentence. Yeah, means.
You have to
Sorry.
confidence.
You
Okay,
have
thank you.
confidence.
What about you, Fitra? What is your conclusion?
Okay, my conclusion is that everyone has the ability to become unique, because everyone has different situation. Maybe when they are faced with that situation, they can awake their abilities inside them to become to think outside of the box. And then if you ask me about my apa tadi words of wisdom, and then some vocabularies. Maybe I have three, such as patent, copyright, and licensing. They are an infinite money glitch.
And what about the translation, the meaning
Like-
in bahasa?
Patent, it's like I
No, say in bahasa, no, in English. No, translate.
yeah, you can. Patent is patent. Like you have your
Pattern is rumus.
Patent. Patent.
Okay. Patent, yeah? Patent,
Yeah.
okay.
Copyright is hak cipta.
Okay, and?
And licensing is lisensi.
Yeah, sip. And?
And then they are your infinite money glitch. Money glitch is like they can generate.
No, say in bahasa, no in English. Say in bahasa, not English.
Glitch apa ya?
This
Oh,
is a-
sorry,
okay.
I'm,
You don't
I'm
know the
thinking-
bahasa, but you know the English, right?
I'm
Oh
thinking
my
in
God.
English.
Yeah, oh my god, give a applause for us. Thank you so much for coming, guys, in our second home. Thank you, Sifa from Meta. Thank you, Brian from BPC. Thank you, Jim from Meta. Thank you, Syair from Best. Thank you, Fitra from Max. Yeah. Okay, give a applause once again for us. Yeah, that's all our English program. Yeah, Smart Up Your Life English links discussion with English communities in South Sulawesi or Makassar. Yeah, and always listen and watch. Of course, Smart FM 101, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration, and especially in our program English communities every Wednesday at 7 p.m. And see you for the next week. Bye bye.